The first thing I want to say about domestic violence cases is really three things. First, they almost never turn out as bad as they seem when you first get arrested. Okay? Getting arrested is never any fun. Getting charged with something is never any fun. But domestic violence cases turn out to be not as serious as they seem at first. The thing you need to realize is most of the time the people involved in these cases do not want to be involved. In every case, the judge has to decide whether, while this case is working its way through the system, whether the husband and wife or the boyfriend and girlfriend are going to be allowed to be together at all. And that's called an emergency protective restraining order. The judge then will decide whether they're going to be allowed to have any contact at all. And that means phone calls, emails, through a third party, any person. The other option is the judge can allow what's called a peaceful contact order. Peaceful means they can have contact, they can live together, they can talk together, but there's this sort of standard set of rules. No arguments, no fights, no strike, harass, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, okay? But people need to know that that decision will be made the first time that case shows up in front of a judge, and they need to be prepared for that. So one of the first things that I do for people is I explain that to them and how we're going to handle that, and we make a plan so that they can be together if that's what they want, even before this case is over. Because that's very important to people. People are like, well, maybe we'll have to do some counseling, maybe we'll have to do these things, but for crying out loud, we're married, or we've been together for years. How can they say that we can't be together? Well, we'll make sure that you are.